Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chef Somji Singh channel. Today the topic is very interesting, which I'm gonna talk about. I have been receiving so many messages about different students, like they were keep asking me which restaurants I can do my job ready program. So this is very concerning topic, because many of the students, once they finish their Cert 3, Cert 4 or diploma, after finishing their education, they are still not sure which restaurant they can do job ready program. So today's video all about like which restaurant you can start your JRP test, so you can start your initial process. So we were gonna talk about these ones. So first of all, if you have already finished your Cert 4 or the diploma and you are about to get enrolled for the first step of JRP, as I will suggest you the restaurant where you can do it. Mostly the fast food restaurants or the fast food outlets, you cannot get it done your JRP. Reason why I'm saying that, because many of the fast foods are not in the list. From there you cannot register it. But you can get done your JRP from the hospitals, aged cares. You can get it done from restaurants, cafes, as long as restaurant is running menus like which they have current menu and they are just cooking food there and they are selling food. Either they are selling on takeaways or they are doing in dining, absolutely fine. And you can go, you can also get it done from the hotels and catering places or the catering halls. And you can also get it done from Mexican restaurant, Indian restaurant, Indonesian restaurant, Chinese restaurant, Vietnam restaurant, Sri Lankan restaurant, as long as the restaurant serve the food or restaurant sell the food or they cook in that place. So that is the place where you can get your JRP done or you can enroll from that place. Secondly, the question is mainly asked, can you get your JRP from pure vegetarian restaurants? I think this one is very much asked question. Many people not sure that they can also get it done their JRP from the vegetarian restaurant. Yes, you heard it right. It is not mandatory the restaurant should have veg and non-veg food. The condition is only that you should be cooking the food on that premises, and either you are selling it or you are just doing serving it. That is the condition, and it should be operating outlet. So many of the students are not sure. They are also eligible to get JRP test from the vegetarian restaurant, and it is true. Recently there are so many students already working in the vegetarian restaurant, but recently what happened, one of my sister, she was working in Melbourne in vegetarian restaurants. In that restaurant they were selling vegetarian pizza. They were cooking some like chole bhatures and paranthas and some small Indian street foods, and also they were selling some sweets in the business. And she had a skill assessment in Melbourne and she got successful that skill assessment. So you should not worry about that. You can only get it done JRP from the restaurant where you cook veg and non-veg food. No, you can also get it done your JRP from veg restaurant as well. So without any hesitation, find the place and start working on this field and you get it done your JRP. If you like this video, you can share with your friends those haven't consider themselves to work in a veg or non-veg restaurant. So just share this video to them, so they must have an idea where they can get it done their JRP test. And I'll see you with another video. If you like this video, you can leave us a comment and you can follow the channel or you can subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.